A thermal overload protector cuts power to a blower motor when the windings reach unsafe temperatures to prevent damage. A thermal overload protector is a temperature-sensitive switch embedded in or attached to the motor that opens when heat rises above a specific threshold and then resets either automatically after cooling or manually depending on design. Many motors use a bimetallic strip or a thermistor-based device that converts heat into a mechanical or electrical change to break the circuit, and you can identify its presence by tracing the run and start winding leads to a small thermal device, or by consulting the motor wiring diagram. When diagnosing intermittent operation, first allow the motor to cool fully and then measure continuity across the overload device. A continuous open reading when cool indicates the protector is not resetting. To check for overheating causes, inspect air movement, clean debris from the blower and housing, and verify the motor is not starved of supply voltage. Low voltage causes higher current draw and excess heat. Measure current draw with a clamp meter on the motor lead while running to compare to the motor nameplate full load amperage, and if current is high, address mechanical binding, bearing wear, or obstructions before replacing the protector. If a motor commonly trips the thermal protector after corrections, suspect internal winding damage, or a degraded motor that will likely need replacement rather than repeated protector replacement. Common mistakes include assuming the thermal overload is the root cause when it is only a symptom. Always investigate why the protector trips and fix ventilation, voltage, or mechanical issues. Another issue is testing the protector while it is still hot or without proper cool down, which yields misleading continuity readings. Always let the motor return to ambient temperature before testing. A frequent oversight is replacing only the protector when the motor has sustained winding damage. If the protector failed to prevent repeated overheating, replace the motor since windings can be compromised. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by area and trade and presents project photos and community feedback to inform choices. We connect contractors with leads and provide a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, installation experiences, and local recommendations.